first thing that we're gonna do, guys, is open the Fonto app and load a plain gray image. From here, you're gonna want to add your text now and change the font to whatever font you like. Then resize it but not make it too big so we can do a zooming effect later on. Once you're done, you're gonna finally save that and open your background eraser app and choose the auto tool and erase the text, the white text. I found this part so satisfying, guys, and I honestly don't know why. So after all of that, you're finally gonna go ahead and save that to your camera roll. Now open KineMaster, or you can also do this on CuteCut Pro also, and import this Smokey rainbow effect video, and I'll leave the link of this one down below. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just trimming it and making it the size of my screen, and I'm gonna go into layers and import the image from Fonto. Now it's time to do the zooming effect, so just click the little key button at the left and go to the end of the image and zoom it, and you'll have this zooming effect. I think it's really cool. And after that, you're gonna want to export the video. So you're gonna go ahead and import the video. So I'm just gonna use a cute image for demonstration, and go to layers and import this rainbow text video, and go to chroma key to remove the background and choose the key color as gray and adjust it to however you like, and you now have your own rainbow effect video.